Okie dokie. Let's see if I mess this up. So it's glued together a little bit because my face mold's really thin. So some urethane definitely leaked into it. Pretty rough time opening it up. Boy. This is kind of what I was afraid of. It'd be something like this. So hopefully the cast I get out of this is okay, so I can remake the mold. Well, there's one. Oh, I'm also just super strong. Yeah, there goes. Woo! Just rip it apart. This is how we learn not to be impatient or cheap with materials. Oh boy. Have a hammer? No, I want to let me grab a little friend over here. There we are. Whoop. Come apart, baby. Can't stay together forever. Ooh. Okay. I'm just gonna go around the other side. Better. Yeah, there's a good opening. Ah, there she goes. Okay, so mother mold. That's a wreck. I don't know if you can see it, but my seam is here and the urethane spilled through and effectively glued this together, and you can kind of see how thin this mold is. I ran out of material and I was too impatient to like wait and get more because the cold weather was coming. So I just said screw it and went with what I had, which was not a smart choice, but that is the choice I've made. And it's really glued in there. Initially I thought maybe I had an undercut or something, but I think I've just wrecked it. And it's so thin right here. I'm a little worried about. Oh boy. Wonder if I can just pop it out of the mold instead. Maybe. I'm not so sure about that line of action. I feel like I might mess up what I have, because I'm hoping what I have is good. Because I won't. Aha! There you go, baby. That won't matter too much. You can see all this material here just soaked into the plaster. Really glued itself in. I'll have to clean that up. Now let's see what we got. Okay. This stuff I'm not too worried about. It'll clean up fine because it's not really on a high detailed surface. I'm more worried about this top part. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Get out of there. You're not my friend. Back's looking good. Don't see any air bubbles. So at least I did one thing right. on this ear. Ear's looking good. Ear's looking good. No air bubbles. Ooh, scary. Whoa, I got a whole tooth. Oh, guys, this is great. This is about, with the kind of setup I have, this is about as close to perfect as I could hope for. So I've got like one solid thing, and I can make a new mold off of this, no problem. The original's in really bad shape, like pretty much destroyed. But oh, I feel like I feel lucky. My fuck ups weren't too bad. So I'm gonna clean this up a little bit with a Dremel, sand it down a little bit. I'll probably put a quick coat of automotive primer on this, just so I can see the detail, and if there's any patchwork I need to do with some epoxy to fix it before I mold it again. And I definitely see some air bubbles because I work without a pressure chamber or a vacuum chamber, which you know, isn't my ideal choice, but wow, I'm super pumped. He looks great. Woo! Oh, failure. This is what failure looks like. Never do this. That was a bad choice. Although it was kind of fun to see inside of it. Ooh, the inside of a lion. Woo!